welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here. It's been a while since I've done a sit down video with you guys talking to you. So today I wanted to show you some influencer high rises. These are high rises that have all the natural light you need, especially for, those of you who work from home like myself. I work from home a lot. I'm always editing videos and I need that natural lighting for my mental health and just, I don't want to feel like I'm boxed in. So these are all going to have an abundance of natural light. They're going to be super walkable to shops, restaurants, things of that nature. Also, if you are in the fitness space, several of these have huge balconies so you can work out outside, and they have great gyms also. I will showcase everything. If you are someone who needs to be in a place that's walkable, if you do like food vlogs or reviews of restaurants, if you're a gamer, if you work from home like so many people do who are not influencers, this video is for you. So these are going to be some of my favorite high rises. I'm going to show you 3, and if you guys want a part 2 to this video, leave a comment below. Also, if you're looking for a place to move in Dallas, whether it is to rent or buy, I got you covered. Just make sure you fill out the form linked below so we can schedule a call and find the perfect place for you. So without further ado, let's get into these top 3 influencer high rises. Bedroom. Oh, you know what? Okay. So, this is on a corner, which means you get light from both sides. Love this. This is a really pretty view. And you get that natural sunlight too. Okay, so this is the closet for this bedroom. So I guess the other one is the smaller closet. Here's bathroom. Shower right here, so it's like a Miami style. You also get a view from the bathroom. Dual vanity. Alright, so that's the bathroom. And let me see. Okay, so here is bathroom. Wait, is this 2 bedrooms with a den? Oh, I was so confused. I was like, that closet is so small. Okay, good. All right, so here's the second bathroom.
Okay, so the smaller room was the den, thankfully. So this one, oh wow, you can see the whole AT&T center from here. All right, so bedroom here, the bedroom across from the balcony. All right, and this one has a walk-in. Just kidding about the other bedroom. That was a den with a closet. So this is the B8.1. So this is one of my favorite penthouses in the city of Dallas. What I love about this building is that the finishes are the same whether you're in a penthouse or in a one-bedroom apartment. However, you will not get this view or these windows unless you are on the top floor. Look how gorgeous this is. I mean, you can literally see the whole city because we are up here above all the other buildings. This is the bedroom where you continue that amazing view, and also you have a huge closet. You can fit There's definitely no shortage of space in here. Look at all the built-ins you have. It's just simply beautiful. What I hate to see in an apartment is wire racks for clothing. This has none of that. Also, this bathroom, oh my gosh, it's the wet room for me. The tub inside the shower, can't beat that. The finishes, everything is just immaculate. This building is very well maintained and it's just simply elegant. This is the best of the best. Look at these finishes, okay? In the bedroom, the views, multiple bedrooms, it's just totally amazing. And like I said, you get these same finishes whether you're in the penthouse or their lowest one bedroom. Also, look at this, you get the built-in tub, so everything is beautiful. I love the gray, the white, the wood colors. It's just, they did a great job with the materials in this building. Now this is the third bedroom, so this is a 3-bedroom penthouse. Also has a sizable walk-in closet. And next we are going to check out a 2-bedroom because I want you guys to see how the finishes remain the same level of quality whether you're in a penthouse or another unit in the building. Okay, so this one is a 2-bedroom. We're still fairly high. I think this is on the 35th floor. So this one, look, it's very similar. A little bit smaller, but you know, the same gorgeous colors throughout. This one is also a corner unit. Notice 1 bedroom will have 2 different walk-in closets, and this corner view is just amazing. I think I might actually love this bathroom more than the penthouse. Okay, look at this, the view, the lighting, everything. It's just spectacular. Also, you got the stand-in shower next to the tub and the window right there. Okay, so this is apartment building number 3. This one is located in Preston Hollow and it is brand new. There are so many different features here that you will not find anywhere else, such as golf, pickleball court, hibachi grills, and more. Okay, we're going to start out in the penthouse. This is one of several penthouses available. What I love about this one is that it has two different balconies and a fireplace, which was not exactly turned on at the moment, but anyways, I digress. Okay, so you have a huge pantry, so much open space here. I wish I had walked along the side of the kitchen island so you could see just how large it is. There's so much space in here, and this, I believe, is one of their larger penthouses. However, they do have a few other ones that are available, and it's simply just spectacular. Okay, look at this. If you are an influencer and you spend time outdoors, especially if you're in the fitness space, I could totally see you sitting out here doing workouts outside. And look at the views. Look at these Preston Hollow homes. Gorgeous. If you're looking for a home, I can help you out with that also. But yeah, this is perfect for entertaining guests. And the bathroom is beautiful. So this one has the amber and black finishes. They also have a lighter color scheme if you're interested in a different color wood. And this closet, oh, it has a dresser in the middle, perfect for jewelry. You can hang everything here. And now we are going to check out a 2-bedroom. This one is furnished. By the way, that was a little sneak peek of the penthouse. I didn't show you guys all of it. If you want a private tour, make sure to reach out to me. So this gives you an idea of what you can fit inside each bedroom. This is a king size bed, and you can still see that there's plenty of space for the rest of your furniture. One thing about this place is that it is condo quality, so they use high grade materials. Also, they said you can customize the closets with items from the Container Store, so additional shelving if you need it. And look at this pantry, gorgeous kitchen. So this one has a darker finishes. They also have, I believe, 2 other color schemes. This is really pretty. It's unique. I haven't seen anything like this. So if you like this one, definitely let me know so I can tell you how many of these are still available. By the way, their 2 bedrooms are starting around 5,800. The 1 bedrooms are starting around 4,700. So if you are good with these prices and this location, definitely let me know, because this is an exclusive area and they do not really build apartments out here. It's more residential. So finding something in such a beautiful, high-end, coveted area with very good schools is extremely rare. So if you guys like this, definitely get on it ASAP. I'm going to leave my information below.